So guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So ito na yung ginawa natin ng printing last time na lanyard idlers printing natin. So ito yung output niya, ito yung hook na gamit natin. So yung ginamit natin na printer dito is large format, not the desktop na mga printer na inkjet. So almost the same lang din yung niya, output. And we are aiming for the high quality for printing. So ito na yung full product na ready to delivery na guys. Ito na yung natin natapos na printing. So the school is Davao City National High School. Ito na yung sinabi ko last time na I will post a result sa ating printing pag nabuo na natin. So yung gamit natin na hook dito guys is G-hook type, naka siderless din to. And then quality yung pagkagawa natin, quality yung pagka-print, quality yung pagka-press. And then yan na yung output natin guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like sa ating video na ina-upload guys. So if you'd like to visit our YouTube channel, meron tayong mga tutorial doon kung paano ginawa ito. Just scroll down, makikita niyo yung mga tutorial ko doon kung paano ginawa yung lanyard idlers printing, and then kung paano to binuo. Masyadong maingay kasi dito yung malapit lang tayo sa highway guys, yung store natin malapit lang tayo sa highway. So, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to follow na rin sa ating YouTube channel guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye guys.